Taymac's new multi-Mac covers offer a clever and versatile solution for specification-grade applications. These covers can be used horizontally or vertically, and come with adapters for a wide range of devices, effectively combining 16 covers into one. This adaptability makes them an ideal choice for projects that require flexibility and cost-effectiveness. Multi-Mac covers are available in both plastic and metal materials. The plastic covers are lightweight and durable, while the metal covers provide additional strength and security. Both options are suitable for outdoor use and meet industry standards for weather resistance. These covers are designed for hassle-free installation and maintenance. The modular design allows for quick and easy replacement of the cover if it becomes damaged, without the need to modify wiring or remove the underlying device. Unlike traditional bubble covers, multi-Mac covers have a sleek and modern appearance. They blend well with various wall surfaces and do not protrude excessively, avoiding the unsightly appearance of a wart on the wall. The multi-Mac's versatility makes it a cost-effective solution. By combining multiple covers into one, it reduces the need for separate purchases and simplifies inventory management. The covers are also priced competitively, making them an accessible option for specification-grade projects. Taymac's multi-Mac covers are a well-designed and versatile solution for specification-grade applications. Their adaptable nature, ease of installation and replacement, aesthetic appeal, and cost-effectiveness make them an ideal choice for both contractors and end users alike.